Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to feature my favorite Amazon products, whether they're for the videoing or my kitchen or my office. Hit the subscribe button. Don't forget the notification bell. And this is your girl, Kimm Brown. We are the beauty guru, and it is our lifestyle. So I want to show you some of my special features. This is my beautiful pink chair, and then my actual table with the lights around it. It works really good for this. And then I have one of my box lights, just one. The other thing I have here is my tripod, and I love this tripod for the table. I don't have to use anything to lift it up, and it's totally rechargeable. It has an automatic leveling system on it. When it's plugged into the camera, it will automatically level. My camera has a long nose, so right now it's not happy, but you can put any camera on here. It has another attachment. It comes with a case. It comes with a bunch of attachments. I love that. And then I can take the bottom off and I can put it on my stand tripod. I have one that actually stands on the ground, and so with one post, it's actually a professional camera. I got it off from Amazon too, and I love it. So then I got this little 4-pack. One of the things I like about it is it came with two that were round, kind of just shape of an egg, or there are two of them. One has the flat here and one has a flat up on the top. And it comes with this beautiful case. It's very, very affordable, and they've lasted. I've had them for over a year. I am very good at washing my containers and washing my brushes and keeping them clean all the time. Then of course my tubes, I talk about them all the time. And then my tray. So I bring my tray. I have my tray and it fits underneath this little stand here. This actually was on my desk until I readjusted my desk and brought it here, because then I can use things underneath. I can just slide them underneath, and they're close to hand when I'm doing what I'm doing. Of course, my drawers are very neat. I don't have a lot of clutter in them because, as I said, I can't. So I have all of my items in specific, containers and why. And there's really only 2 drawers, so you can't get too full with these. These are all the lashes and things like that I have in here, but yeah, as you can see, I have more. I have like 4 or 5 of these. But that is where I get ready. This is my makeup room.